Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So right now we are just marking out for a mortise, and this piece of wood is mesquite. Alright, we've got the lathe turned on and the camera into position, and the first tool we are using is a mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. So this piece of wood was sent to me by some very good friends over in the United States of America. They own a very small independent wood turning shop, sells all sorts of wood turning accessories. You might have heard it called Turner's Warehouse. They also have a YouTube channel, so I will leave links to that and to their website down in the description. So now we are just taking our last few passes and we're getting the donut shaped bowl. There we go, last couple of passes here. And there you go. Alright, so now we are going to make the mortise, and the first tool we're going to be using is the mid-size detailer, just to mark it out and decide where we're going to put it. Going to clear it all out with a number 1 hollower. Flatten everything off with a mid-size rougher. Make a nice little flat foot there over the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck, and we're just going to carry that curve on and create a nice little foot with the rougher. That little foot's going to raise it off the table just enough to cause a shadow, and there you go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so this is 240 grit from Klingspor Abrasives. Doing that last bit there at the bottom, in the mortise. And there you go. Bit of compressed there. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean out the grain.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Some matte sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive paste. You wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. There we go, just buff it in with your fingertips. You can feel that grit breaking down. There you go, last few wipes here. And there you go. Alright, some Hampshire Sheen gloss finishing wax. So you wipe this all over, you get the lathe for nice even coverage, let the solvents evaporate, then you turn your lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and you just buff it in. You build up that heat using nothing but your fingertips. You don't want to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. There we go, just your fingertips and build up that heat. Remember, don't push too hard. We'll get a nice shiny donut. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to get to hollowing, but first we need to flatten the top off, and we're going to use the mid-size rougher for that. Alright, and now we've gone to the number 1 hollower. And now we switch to the number 3 hollower, just so we can get right under. And back to the number 1 hollower. There you go, last couple of passes, and there you go. Bit of compress there. Just checking the walls with the old finger calipers. Alright, once again, already done most of the sanding, so we've got some 240 grit here on the end of the drill. And we're going to do the inner walls where the drill couldn't get to with the hands. And there you go. Bit of compress there. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean out the grain. Some matte sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive paste. Once again, exactly the same as before. Wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent around about 1000 grit. And last few wipes. And there you go. And finally some Hampshire Sheen gloss wax. And also, same as before, wipe this all over, get nice even coverage, and you buff it in with your fingertips, build up that heat. Remember not to push too hard, you want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. I want to thank everybody at Turner's Warehouse for sending me this fine blank. Be sure to go and check them out on their YouTube channel and at their website if you want to purchase any wood turning supplies. And with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.